Welcome to Quran for Humanity. Here we discuss various topics about the Quran. Today's topic is Islam is a way of life. Islam is just not a religion, but it's a complete way of life. When we say way of life, everything we do in the life falls within the boundary of Islam. This is a very broad definition, and indeed it is. As Muslims turn adult and grow, they practice Islam in every aspect of the life, in every activity of the life, till their last breath. Allah said in the Quran, I have perfected your religion for you and have completed my blessing upon you and chosen Islam as deen for you. Chapter number 5, verse number 3. Islam is described as deen in this verse, which means complete way of life. No part of life is outside the realm of Islam. Islam covers all aspects of life, from cradle to grave. In Islam, though primary rituals or ibadats like praying, fasting, giving charity, performing pilgrimage are very important, but Islam does not end there. Islam covers all aspects of life. In Islam, every routine daily activity of life, whether mundane or crucial, whether personal, social, educational, economical or political, are the part of life. And following Islamic guidelines in all these activities is essential. There are guidelines on how to eat, drink, dress, sleep, how to deal with the family, with the children, with the elders, with parents, how to conduct mutual transactions, what are our duties towards ourselves, our parents, our family, our neighbors, our community, our society. All daily activities which person enjoys doing and get pleasure out of it, like eating, drinking, sleeping, dressing appropriately, gaining on knowledge, earning livelihood, getting married, spending time with the family, spending time with the spouse and the kids, being active in the society for promoting good and removing evil are the part of the religion, are the part of worship, provided they are being done as per the Islamic guidelines. Even looking at the parents with love and respect is part of religion and considered as a worship. Allah has promised generous rewards for all these activities. Quran contains multiple verses on do's and don'ts of everyday life. There are multiple sayings of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, dealing with the same. We will visit few verses or few examples from the both. Here are a few examples from the Quran. who spend in the cause of Allah during ease and hardship, and who restrain anger, and who pardon the people, and Allah loves doers of good. Forgive others for their mistakes, enjoying good, and turn aside from ignorant. Treat parents well, whether one or both of them reach old age while with you. Don't say them so much as oof, and do not repel them, but speak to them a noble word. Some of sayings of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, are like this: the best of my people is one who displays perfect kindness and goodness to his family. Faith is made of 70 and some other branches, the highest of which is the belief in the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the lowest in the scale of worship is removing obstacles and dirt from people's way. Whoever finds himself at the nightfall tired of his lawful work, God will forgive his sins. Receiving your friend with a smile is a type of charity. Helping a person to load his animal is a charity. And putting some water in your neighbor's bucket is a charity. Whatever one spends for his family is charity. He will be rewarded for it if what he acquires is through permitted means. Kindness to one's family is worship. In short, Islam does not limit religion to the ritual worship only, but it emphasizes that each and every part of daily life, of daily activities, is the part of religion. What a wonderful religion and merciful God! If you want to read the Quran, you can download it from our website www.quranforhumanity.org. We have got translations of the Quran in more than 100 languages. With this, we have come to an end of today's discussion. We will bring more talks about the Quran, so keep visiting us. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell sign so you get notification whenever there is a new video. May peace and guidance be upon entire humanity.